Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop this typing notification in Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat. I have two Snapchat account in my device, so I'll send to my another account. So as soon as you start typing, you will see this notification in your another account. So what we have to do, let's remove this. Let's go to the another account. Here long press on Snapchat and go to the app info. Here you can see notification, tap there and you can see white notifications. Disable it. Let's go back again and type. Now you will not get any notification for typing. When you send, you will get the notification. So that's all guys. Likewise you can stop the typing notification in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.